Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about photographing birds in the snow. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, here in North Carolina, snow is not that common. We get one snowstorm every year. Usually it melts really fast, but because of the cold front that hit us at the same time as this snow, we've been stuck with it for a couple of days, and it looks like we'll be stuck with it for a couple more days. But photographing birds in snow can be very, very challenging because the snow, even though you may have your camera set up for spot metering, the snow still overwhelms the meter and it tries to expose for the snow, and what ends up happening is your bird ends up being a silhouette and not a crisp, clear shot of the picture. And what the compensation for that is to advance your light meter. So I'm advancing my light meter half a stop, but the problem with that is that now the snow becomes overexposed and it just becomes this white blob behind your image. So your bird may be exposed properly, but the snow is not properly exposed. And today I'm going to talk about some tricks that you can do that will help you expose for the bird and get a background that's not just blown out in white. So in this first picture I'm taking here, you can see that the cardinal is in the tree. And what the tree does is the branches break up the snow. So the snow is not such a powerful element in the picture. It's not overwhelming everything else. It is still a key element in the picture, but because of the branches of the tree and everything else like that, that will definitely break up any kind of or try to break up the overpowerness of the snow. And that's the main element when photographing in snow. You want the snow to be in the picture, but you don't want it to be an overpowering element in the picture. Well, it has been cold out here and the activity has kind of been spotty, really spotty. I've been out here for about 45 minutes and I only had one flock come through and that was it. So I think we're getting the video here. I'm hoping you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.